Good morning, class. How are you? I hope you're all fine. I hope you had a very nice weekend and you've rested enough and you're ready for another all week. Now, last week during our numeracy lesson, we introduced a new topic about numbers, and to be specific, it was negative numbers. There was a video of the same illustrating how to add negative numbers using a number line. We gave some work on the same. We've given the answers, and I hope you've all marked and you've got them right. If you've got any number wrong or any question wrong, just do the corrections. And if you have any question, kindly go to our personal walls on WhatsApp and ask your question, and we will be very glad to answer those questions. Now, today we are going to learn about subtraction of negative numbers. Everything is the same. The number line is the same. The working out is the same. The only difference is the movement. We said when you're adding numbers, you move to your right. But now, when you're subtracting using the number line, you move to the left. The starting point is the same, the first number in the question, but now because you're subtracting, you move to the left. So I've said everything else is the same. The number line is the same. The questions are the same. The only difference is the sign. So the minus or the subtraction sign. And then the movement. We don't move to the right when we are subtracting. We move to the left, for example. So I'll start with the first example. These are examples. Number 1, I will ask negative 3 minus 4. So as usual, you just draw a number line. We have 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, continues that way. This side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It continues this way. So what is the starting point? We said the first number is always the starting point. And remember, we've said when you're subtracting, you move to the left. The left is this way. So minus 3, negative 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. And the answer is what? The answer is negative 7. As easy as that. There's no big difference between this and what we did last week. The only difference is movement. We move to the left. I'll give a second example. We have 5 minus 7. This one seems impossible to most of you. This one seems impossible to most of you. But when using a number line, it is very possible. When using a number line, it is very possible. So 0, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 0. So this side we have negative 1, then negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. And we say a number line continues infinitely. So the starting point is where? 5. Here. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So the answer is negative 2. I'm not intending to give many examples on this because now you're familiar with the number line. You're familiar with how the working out is going. The only difference is the movement. So I'll give the last one. The last example, I can give 4 minus what? 4 minus 5. Still okay. So you draw a number line as usual. 0. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. What is the starting point? 4 is our starting point. So 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. And our answer is what? Negative 1. It's very easy, and I hope all of you have understood. Now, we are going to give an exercise. Try the exercise showing you're working out with a number line. And always use a pencil to draw the number line to avoid making many mistakes with a pen, which you cannot rub off. Have a very nice day and see you.